So, some quick questions. Okay. Ready?
Oh, is it a rapid fire?
Rapid fire
Oh,
now.
okay.
Rapid. Okay. What are the
I don't know how rapid it's going to be.
First thought that comes in your mind, huh? What is the one thing you need in your business today?
One thing I need in more clients here.
More clients.
Yeah,
Correct.
absolutely, dude.
What is the one thing you want in your business today?
More number of people. I need to build more team.
Bigger team.
Yeah.
Fantastic. What is your biggest fear from your business perspective?
From a business point of view, nothing.
Nothing.
Nothing. I don't fear. I don't have a fear. I believe in myself.
Fantastic.
I believe in the whole economic concept. I mean, I'm a believer in my economy. I'm a believer in good things will happen for the next foreseeable amount of time. We are at a very good juncture. I mean, India is at an inflection point when we are going to see rapid growth in the next 1 or 2 decades.
Fantastic.
So, अगले 20 साल का कोई टेंशन नहीं है.
Brilliant. Since you worked in a company before, besides Deloitte, did you work somewhere else
No.
also? Deloitte is your first one.
Yeah.
What's the one key takeaway that you think you brought in Deloitte? I think you spoke about technology in a way, but what's the one
See,
key takeaway?
Deloitte is such a huge organization and such a good organization. One thing I've learned and I've taken from them is like if you have to grow your business multiple times or scalable उसको अगर बनाना है, तो you need to leverage technology. And they were so good at it. I mean, every day if I'm working on a particular assignment or a particular client, I have to submit it to the HR. I mean, एक portal होता था जिसपे हमको enter करना होता था how many hours I've worked on this particular client. And those used to be the billable hours. Deloitte used to bill the client on the work which I have done.
Correct.
And they have this mechanism for right from a management trainee up until the partner.
Wow, even the partner has hours invested. Wow,
Absolutely.
brilliant.
So that's the kind of technology जिसको मैंने कहा. And one thing, the other thing, can I give 2 answers for this?
Arey, you can give 3, yaar, please.
The second
please.
one I'd like to say is keep yourself constantly learning mechanism छोड़ना नहीं चाहिए. जो MBA में सीखे थे उसको काफी सारी चीजें अनलर्न करनी पड़ी and then relearn करना पड़ा because markets and the real world around us is very dynamic and very unique. So that bookish knowledge may be of seldom use to you at some point of
Correct.
time or at any point of time.
Correct.
So you need to unlearn a lot and relearn them. So that learning process should never stop. I mean, the day you stop learning, you're done.
Fantastic. Now, one thing that happened in Deloitte that you thought that's one thing I don't want to take with me.
Nothing actually.
Nothing like that, but that's
It's a wonderful
place.
organization. I made some very, very good friends over there who are now my clients.
And I think you guys still hang out.
Yeah. We make it a point to ensure that once a year, all our 6-7 set of friends, we definitely try and meet up. Some of them are from Ahmedabad, some of them are still in Hyderabad. So if I happen to go to Hyderabad, I meet my entire gang over there. And I love that place. Yeah.
I met a lot of people in my life who have always worked somewhere. You are the happiest soul I've seen. And in so many years, that you've had a company and the reason was very beautiful. You know, you were very happy when you were there. You were happy doing what you were doing. There was always the same spark that you had. And the memory is so beautifully still there in your mind. Your only thing was very crystal clear of why this cannot sustain because I'm looking at a bigger picture, which I really liked. So in that spirit, tell me that if somebody wants to join what you are doing today, and the whole concept of what we are talking here today is about this, that people who are sitting on the other side might want to come in a business that you are into as a financial advisor. What are the few key things that you would like to give them, that these are the things that I would like you to keep in mind when you are coming in? What do you think? What do you like to say?
First and the foremost thing, I think if somebody wants to come and venture out into this business, they need to have his patience.
Beautiful. Yes.
Without patience, no businesses can be built, let alone mine, or let alone the category of business I am in.
Correct.
Patience is the first thing. Second thing I like to tell them is, अगर 100% dedication है ना, और अगर ये आपका liking है, ये in sense not this business, any business for that matter, no, more so if this business is your liking, अगर वो 100% उस पे passion है, commitment दे सकते हो तो ही आओ. Half-heartedly कोई भी चीज life में मत करो. Stay. If you believe, if you have a firm belief that no, I want to go over here, I'm sure that I'm going to make something good out of it, and at the end of the day, if this thing is giving you pleasure and satisfaction, कि I'm helping one family achieve their financial goal, I'm helping somebody out. See, for me, मेरे को सबसे बड़ा सेटिस्फेक्शन उस चीज का मिलता है कि जब मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट मिलने का सेटिस्फेक्शन नहीं रहता है. इन्वेस्टमेंट तो मिलती है सबकी, बट जब मैं किसी को अच्छे से उनको मिलकर उनको समझाता हूँ कि दिस इज वेयर दिस इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू आउट, एंड when I actually see that thing helping them in their life, that is what gives me the biggest satisfaction in today's life.
Correct.
So this is what I'd like to tell: patience, absolute passion, no half-hearted commitments. Third and the most important thing, you will have to ensure that 3 से 4 साल आपको लगेंगे इस particular thing में self sustainable होने के लिए.
Brilliant.
The first 3-4 years are going to be extremely tough because the margins are very less in this business. It has to be a scalable amount of business. उसको मतलब number of investors should increase drastically क्योंकि इसमें margin नहीं है, इसमें volume है.
Volume business,
right?
correct.
So this is what I'd like to tell them. 4 years minimum, absolute commitment and passion, and good and humongous amount of patience.
Brilliant. Thank you so much for the time you've given us today, Amol. I think knowing 9 years, but speaking to you and to learn so many other things and some examples I have never heard in all our conversations. I think it's a real eye-opener. It's an eye-opener for people who are going to be seeing this, who might want to venture. And you've explained it so simple that I think that always stays with you. And I can't thank you enough for always giving me the time. Thank you so much for having me here. Thank you so much. Thank you.